This is where a lot of renovators get trapped. They don't estimate the costs before they purchase the property. They purchase the property and then they go, okay, how much is it going to cost me? We are going to get you way past that. You're going to know exactly the estimate of full cost of your property purchase and the holding costs and the renovation costs before you purchase the property. So you're not caught out. And as one of those questions said, where's the hidden expenses? We highlight them all for you. This is about you creating a profit and moving ahead. Now, you might put some properties through the quick quote calculator and they don't stack up. That's fine. You save money. You used a bit of time, save money. But the more you use this, the quicker you get as well.
And this is one of the big holes in people's strategy when they're looking at properties to renovate, is they might be able to work out what the resale value is and they potentially can buy it under market, but unless you know what the renovation cost is, you haven't got all the numbers you need to know whether you're going to make a profit. And so this was a really big piece of the puzzle when we put this together, and it's been put together over 25 years worth of renovations and expenses and all of the stuff that's been recorded into this spreadsheet. So you really just go through the property, inspect it room by room, fill out your checklist and check the boxes, and we've got estimates for every single cost in that quick quote calculator. So you
don't have to go chasing them.
That's right. So you've got that renovation cost before you purchase the property.